Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to explore an important feature inside the MLB app that many users overlook. This video will guide you on how to enable gesture reduction, a setting designed to make your navigation smoother and more comfortable. First, open the MLB app on your smartphone. Next, locate and tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Account Settings. Then, scroll down carefully until you find option labeled Gesture Reduction. Finally, turn on Gesture Reduction by tapping the switch beside it. Once activated, the feature will reduce unnecessary gestures, giving you a more simplified and easier experience while navigating the MLB app. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.